you are beginner, you can speak English a little bit. Now you need a partner with whom you practice English, and you will be fluent in English. But it is matter of great so that in your country is quite difficult to get a person with whom you will practice your English. So how will you practice your English? That questions can be arises. So don't worry, my brothers and sisters. You have a platform, you have application, and that is Chatgpt. By using this application, you can practice your English with native speakers, and you can be fluent in English. You can be fluent in English like native speakers. So how will you practice your English with Chatgpt? In this video, I am gonna talk about it. So let's see. So to speak with Chatgpt, first of all, you have to go Play Store. You have a Play Store in your phone. সবারই থাকে Play Store যেতে হবে. After going there, you have to write down Chatgpt on the search bar. After writing down, you will see an application named Chatgpt. Just install it. After installing, you will see there is option of microphone. Just touch it. After touching it, you will see the rattle. That's why after touching it, if you say something in Bengali or English or in any languages, you will see that Chatgpt is responding because he knows every languages. So suppose you want to practice your English, if you want to practice English, that's why you have to talk to English. So then you can ask whatever you want to ask, and if you ask the Chatgpt, please ask me, then he will ask you. So in this way, you ask you. In this way, you can practice your English. So let's see today I'm going to talk to Chatgpt, and our classes and our speaking parts will be based on how to improve my English and how can I develop my English. So let's see. Today I want to practice my English with you. Are you ready for this?
Of course. I'd love to help you practice your English. Let's get started.
Yes.
What would you like to talk about?
Yes, I have a specific topic, so it's about our talk. Okay, now I'm going on your questions. Okay, hope you answer this properly.
Sure. Go ahead and ask your questions. I'll do my best to answer them properly.
Okay. Oh, now I'm a beginner. Now I'm learning English. So how can I develop my English? What will be the process?
That's a great question. Here are a few steps you can follow to improve your English. 1. Practice regularly. Try to speak, write, and think in English every day. 2. Listen and read. Listen to English songs, watch movies or TV shows, and read books or articles in English. 3. Speak with others. Find language exchange partners or join English-speaking groups. 4. Use language apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or even Chatgpt can help you practice. 5. Be patient. Learning a language takes time, so keep practicing and don't get discouraged.
Okay.
Would you like to practice?
Okay. So now my other question is,
Sure. Go ahead with your next question. I'm here to help.
is it important to know English? To speak in English?
Yes, knowing English can be very important, especially in today's globalized world. Here are a few reasons why. 1. Communication. English is widely spoken and understood around the world, making it easier to communicate with people from different countries. 2. Career opportunities. Many international companies use English as their working language, so knowing English can open up more job opportunities. 3. A lot of educational resources, research papers, and online courses are available in English, giving you access to a wealth of information. 4. Travel. Knowing English can make traveling to different countries easier, as it's often used as the common language in international travel. 5. Cultural understanding. English can help you understand and appreciate cultures from around the world, as much of the world's media and literature are in English.
Okay.
Learning English can...
Okay, I got it. So now you can say I am in first stage, I'm beginner. So I want to practice, or which accent will I practice? American or British? Which will be good or perfect?
It depends on your goals and preferences. Here are some points to consider. 1. American English. It's widely used in many countries and is often used in international business and technology. 2. British English. It's the standard in many Commonwealth countries and is often associated with formal and academic settings. Both accents are widely understood, so you can choose the one you feel more comfortable with or the one that aligns better with your goals. If you want, I can help you practice either accent.
Okay, I got it. Which will be more acceptable, American or British? which is more acceptable?
Both American and British accents are widely accepted and understood around the world. It really depends on your personal preference and what you find easier or more enjoyable to learn. Both are great to know, and either can be beneficial for different contexts. If you have a specific preference or goal, you can choose the one that fits best for you.
Okay, got it. So, Chatgpt, do you have any question to ask me? Please, if you have, you can.
Sure. How about we practice some common English phrases or small talk? For example, we can talk about your hobbies, daily routine, or travel experiences. What do you think?
So if you have, please ask me. I'll do with you. Okay.
Great. Let's start with something simple. What do you usually do in your free time? Do you have any favorite hobbies?
Yes, why not? I have a favorite hobby, and whenever I get time, I try to go outside. Basically, I remain busy. I have tuitions. I do tuition a lot of. If I get in a weekly time, I try to go outside to enjoy the captivating, eye-catching beauty of nature. I love nature. And beside, whenever I get time, I listen music, and I am a good drummer. I can play drama. Okay.
That sounds wonderful. It's great that you find time to enjoy nature and play the drums. Being in nature can be very relaxing. What kind of music do you like to listen to or play on the drums?
Oh, I like to hear. I like to listen. Basically, folk music and also old song, like a 90s old song. I like these kinds of song. And at present, which song is good that can be acceptable? I just listen these kinds of song. But I basically loved 90s songs. Okay.
Folk music and 90s old songs are classics. They had such a unique charm and can be very soothing to listen to.
Okay, then.
There are many. Do you have a favorite song or artist from the 90s that you enjoy the most?
Yes, why not? I have many, and among all, at the time I had a girlfriend, and she's no more in the world, and her favorite song was বেদনা মধুর হয়ে যায় তুমি যদি দাও. So this song is my favorite song because I love her, and that's why this song is I love these songs. And whenever I get time, I try to hear this song বেদনা মধুর হয়ে যায় তুমি যদি দাও. So it's a favorite song currently to me.
I'm sorry to hear about your loss. It's beautiful that you have a song that brings back cherished memories. Music has a powerful way of keeping those memories alive.
Right.
If you ever get to
Right. Yes, whenever I just listen these kinds of songs, we used to hear at that moment, whenever we was in a relationship, family was alive, my girlfriend was alive. So whenever I just listen this song, I can remember this. I can feel that situations which I have spent with my girlfriend. So really, it's alive our memorable moments. So really, song is needed. Am I right?
Absolutely. Music has a special way of connecting us to our memories and emotions.
Okay.
It's wonderful.
Okay, sir. Zamiti, thanks you. Thanks for a lot for practicing with me. We will meet again. Okay. Goodbye.
You're welcome. I'm glad we could chat.
So, bondhuwa, in this way, you can practice your English. You can ask ChatGPT, and you can also ask ChatGPT to ask yourself. So, in this way, you can practice your English. So, if you practice like this, only 6 months, then you will be improved, I'm sure. So, but you have to practice, and now you have got the process, you've got the path. So, don't delay, just do this, and work properly. Hope your dream will be success, your dream will be true. So, goodbye.